So children, now continuing with financial statements, we reach the third type of financial statement, that is called balance sheet, or also named as position statement. I told you there are two types of financial statements. The income statement, that includes trading and profit and loss account, and the second, the position statement or the balance sheet. Now girls, it is very important to understand the difference between statement and account. The previous two statements that we have learned were the trading account and the profit and loss account. Why have I named them account? That A/C stands for account. Why have I named these account and this as a statement? Because these two types of statements, they have a balancing figure. They are formed in T manner, a T-shaped format, which has the left hand side arbitrarily called as debit side and the right hand side called the credit side. Both these statements or both these accounts are nominal in nature, means expenses on the debit and incomes on the credit side. But now we are moving to next step, one step ahead, that is not an account but a statement. Why a statement? Because this format that we are going to prepare, or this statement that we are going to prepare, the balance sheet, does not have the debit and the credit. Rather, it has two sides called the liability sides and the asset side. Why have I named, why there is no debit and credit? Because there are no expenses and no incomes. One more thing, why are they called as accounts and this as a statement? Because both these accounts, trading account as well as profit and loss account, they have a balancing figure. Either the debit exceeds the credit or the vice versa. Either it can be a gross loss or a gross profit. In case of profit and loss account, either it can be a net profit or a net loss. But in balance sheet, there is no circumstance of either the liabilities exceeding the assets or the assets exceeding the liabilities. Both the sides are equal. Now let us proceed with the balance sheet from your textbook. Here in your textbook, girls, I'll follow. Please concentrate and read. After ascertaining the net profit or loss of the business enterprise, the businessman would also like to know the exact financial position of his business. So this is a statement that is prepared to find out the financial position of the business. For this purpose, a statement is prepared which contains all the assets and liabilities. I repeat the line, a statement is prepared which contains the assets and the liabilities.